Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy M12 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Start by opening menu, then click on calendar and pick a date, for example that one. Now click at the plus icon at the bottom right corner and add a title. Over here you can customize your event however you want to. For example, you can change color, add starting hour, ending one. Set up location, set up notifications, minutes, hours or weeks before your event. Go back. Take notes and many other things. When you're done, you can save your event by clicking on save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wish to delete it, you can click on it. Then click on this dot over here. Click delete at the bottom right corner and delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!